Hey, welcome back to Mind Your Personal Business, the channel that teaches you how to make money in smarter, faster ways and build your dream lifestyle. Today, I'm dropping an AI hack that has the potential to multiply your earnings by 10x. Imagine making 10 times the money you're earning right now, with less effort than you think. Sound too good to be true? Stick around to find out how this game-changing strategy works. And I'm not talking about vague tips here. I'm breaking down a step-by-step method to help you build a profitable digital product from scratch. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. And for those who stick around until the very end, I've got a killer bonus for you that'll help you level up your game even more. Let's find out why digital products are the ultimate AI hack. We're living in the AI revolution, but most people are using AI tools completely wrong. And they don't even realize it. Sure, AI can help you automate tasks and save time. But if you really want to make serious money, there's one powerful method that nobody's talking about yet. Until now. Most people are using AI to save time. What if I told you that using AI to create assets is the ultimate hack to multiplying your earnings? I'm talking about building things that generate passive income, whether you're at work, on vacation, or even sleeping. Alright, here's the big reveal. The AI hack is all about leveraging AI tools to create digital assets, ebooks, courses, stock photos, digital art, apps, software, you name it. The secret sauce is that AI helps you scale these assets effortlessly. Let me break it down for you. Instead of selling your time for money, you're creating assets that work for you and keep earning you passive income. The more assets you create, the more streams of income you build, and the less time you have to put in over time. You're 10xing your output, and your earnings skyrocket. The real magic happens when AI cuts down your creation time from weeks to hours. It's like having a personal assistant working around the clock. Today, we're focusing on creating an ebook step by step. Ready to see how? Here's your step-by-step guide. How to create an ebook with AI. Alright, so let's dive in. Today we're creating an ebook, one of the simplest, most scalable digital products out there. Here's how you can do it in under 1 week using AI. Step 1. Choose your niche topic. First, you need to pick a topic that people want to buy. Use tools like Google Trends or AnswerThePublic.com to find hot topics. Alternatively, use ChatGPT to brainstorm niche topics. Ask the AI, what are some trending topics in personal finance? Or what's the next big thing in health and fitness? Within seconds, you'll have a list of ideas. Pro tip, focus on niches you're passionate about and are knowledgeable about, or where you can solve a specific problem. Maybe a problem of your own that you've solved for yourself. The more valuable your ebook is, the more money it'll make. Step 2. Outline your ebook using AI. Now that you have your topic, it's time to build an outline. This can be done in minutes using ChatGPT. Simply type, create an ebook outline on your topic. The AI will spit out a detailed structure, including chapters, subchapters, and key points. Look at that, an entire outline in under a minute. You can tweak it to your liking, but the heavy lifting is done. This alone can save you days of brainstorming. Step 3. Write the content using AI ChatGPT. Here's where the AI magic happens. You don't need to spend weeks writing your ebook. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality content for each section. Let's say you're writing an ebook on personal finance. Input each chapter heading into ChatGPT and ask it to write 500 to 1,000 words per section. Now, don't worry about it sounding too robotic. The key here is to edit and add your personal touch. AI gets you 80% of the way, and your job is to polish the remaining 20%. If you want to elevate the writing quality, tools like Grammarly or Hemingway can help make sure your ebook sounds professional. Step 4. Design your ebook with AI tools. Next, you'll need to make sure your ebook looks visually appealing. Use AI-powered tools like Canva or Designerer to create beautiful ebook layouts. You can choose templates, customize fonts, and add images with just a few clicks. Don't underestimate the power of design. People judge a book by its cover, and a professional-looking ebook will boost your sales. Step 5. Publish and sell your ebook. Finally, it's time to make money. Once your ebook is ready, you can self-publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or even your own website. Amazon Kindle is great for reaching a global audience, but if you want to keep more profits, selling directly through Gumroad is a fantastic option. Don't forget to promote your ebook. You can use AI tools like Jarvis.ai to create compelling sales copy or run Facebook and Google ads using AI to target the right audience. Bonus tip 1. Repurpose your ebook into multiple income streams. Here's a bonus most people don't even think about. Repurpose your ebook into multiple products. You can turn the content into an online course, YouTube scripts, or even a podcast. One product becomes the foundation for an entire digital ecosystem. Imagine selling the same content 5 different ways. That's how you multiply your earnings effortlessly. Section 3. Automation and scaling with AI. Now that you've got a digital product up and running, it's time to scale. This is where automation comes in. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to set up automated email sequences that nurture leads and sell your ebook. You can also use AI-driven ad platforms like Facebook Ads Manager to create targeted campaigns without much effort. Automate sales and marketing with AI. The beauty of digital products is that once they're live, you can automate almost everything. Let the AI tools handle the heavy lifting while you sit back and watch your income grow. Final bonus, 3-hour AI ebook challenge. As promised, here's the final bonus, my 3-hour AI ebook challenge. Set aside 3 hours this week and follow the exact steps I just shared to create your own ebook. If you're up for it, drop a comment below saying, "I'm in." When you complete the challenge, come back and drop a comment below saying "Challenge Complete." I'd love to feature your success stories in an upcoming video. Take the 3-hour AI ebook challenge. Trust me, if you take action today, you'll be well on your way to multiplying your income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe because next week, I'll be revealing 5 hidden AI tools that can make you money in ways you never thought possible. You do not want to miss it. Subscribe for more AI money hacks. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you don't take action, nothing changes. But if you do, you could be just one asset away from 10xing your income. See you in the next video.